What are the key elements of differentiated instruction? Have you ever wondered how teachers can meet the diverse needs of all their students in one classroom? That's where differentiated instruction comes in. This teaching approach is all about tailoring learning experiences to fit the unique preferences and readiness levels of each student. Let's break down the key elements of differentiated instruction into four main categories: learning environment, content, process, and products. First, let's talk about the learning environment. This is how the classroom is set up to support various learning needs. A well-designed learning environment includes clear guidelines that match students' abilities. It should have spaces for both independent work and group collaboration. Students should also have a way to ask for help when they need it. Additionally, materials should reflect diversity and inclusivity. Flexibility is key, allowing students to move around if that helps their learning style, while others can stay seated if they prefer. Next, we move on to content. This is what students are expected to learn. Differentiation in content means presenting material in different ways to match various learning styles. For example, auditory learners might benefit from text recordings. Small group instruction can target specific needs, while different vocabulary lists can cater to student readiness. Presenting information visually, auditorily, and through hands-on activities can also be effective. Pairing students with reading buddies can provide peer support and enhance learning. Now let's discuss the process. This involves the activities and methods students use to engage with the content. Differentiation in process can include allowing flexible time for task completion, using physical tools to aid understanding, and collaborating with students to create personalized task lists. Offering various interest centers or learning stations can keep students engaged. Scaffolding, or breaking tasks into smaller steps, can also support learning. Finally, we have products. These are the ways students demonstrate what they have learned. Differentiated products allow students to show mastery in ways that suit their strengths. This can involve using different assessment rubrics tailored to skill levels. Students might choose how to present their knowledge, whether through writing, art, presentations, or projects. They can also decide if they want to work individually or in groups. Understanding these elements helps both students and educators create personalized learning strategies. By recognizing that students learn differently, one can apply study techniques that fit their unique styles, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. This approach not only supports better comprehension but also boosts motivation and confidence in learning. In practical terms, students can use these principles by seeking varied study materials, breaking down tasks into smaller steps, allowing themselves flexible time, and choosing study methods that fit their preferences. Educators can apply these elements by designing lessons that offer multiple pathways to learning and assessment, accommodating the diverse needs of their students.